Something absolutely crazy happened in the stock market today. Here's what you got to know. The S&P 500 is now green on the year, which is absolutely insane because we were down over 20% just a month and a half ago. We also have 72% of the S&P 500 stocks are now trading above their 50-day moving averages. On top of all of that, we had a cool PPI print this morning. This is basically another measure of inflation. And essentially, it's proven that our economy is pretty resilient to the tariffs that are in place right now. There is also this really good news in the headline. Donald Trump recently had a 4-day trip to the Middle East where he visited the United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar. Basically, what you need to know from this trip is that these three countries are now going to invest a total of $2.5 trillion into the United States. This marks the largest foreign investment commitment that we have ever seen raised by a president in our history. So really nothing but good news to be seen in the headlines today. This is probably why the S&P 500 is still continuing to rise. If you want to look at the market from a technical perspective, this is the daily chart of the S&P 500 or SPY. This is what today's candle looked like. It's called a bullish engulfing candle. It's where it completely engulfs the previous day candle, as you can see, which is right there. It also had increasing volume. As you can see, that green bar down below is bigger than that red one. This kind of candlestick formation, looking at a technical perspective, definitely leads me to believe that the market is going to continue higher before it cools off. Donald Trump has also told us that the stock market is going to go a lot higher. However, stocks don't just go straight up and they don't just go straight down. So I will be continuing to invest in my three-part portfolio. If you want to know what that three-part portfolio entails, just shoot me a comment down below.